Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Well, there is a lot to cover in this update. Everything from our 5th annual Jetbuilt User Summit to our client portal being released, new technical data fields, so much more. So let me get right to it. Here we go. We are inviting you to the 5th annual Jetbuilt User Summit in Boston, taking place Thursday and Friday, October 24th and 25th at the magnificent Fairmont Copley Plaza Hotel. We will spend 2 days diving into Jetbuilt. These Jetbuilt Summits have been an amazing time, getting to know each other, sharing ideas. My favorite part of the summit is hearing workflows that you guys have come up with for your own company inside of Jetbuilt. And others may go, oh yeah, we're doing something like that, but we use this and we use this. Last year at Summit, one company talked about their need to better communicate with their clients, both during the sale and during the project installation. Another company said, yeah, like a client portal would be great. We're using one from a third-party vendor. And then more and more companies started sharing what would help them. And what came out of that is our Jetbuilt client portal, which launched at InfoComm in June. So it's ideas, large ones like this, or a lot of small ones that you guys bring up at Summit, and we all talk about them and debate what would be a good way to handle this and a good approach. There's a lot of education that happens, a lot of discussions, a lot of vision, and so much more. And of course, there's the cocktail hour on Thursday night. It's a fantastic time for all of us to get to know each other. So if you're in Jetbuilt every day, or you've got a team of folks in Jetbuilt every day, you owe it to yourself to come to Boston, join us at Summit, and dig deeper into Jetbuilt. We'll see you there. Client portal. We've been talking about this for 6-9 months. It was in beta test for a long time. This was something that you guys asked for, where many of you were looking for a tool to better communicate with your clients before the sale, during the installation, during support after the project's complete. And so we designed this thing up. We beta tested all spring, and then we launched it at InfoComm. And if you're interested, you can watch a video down below here that'll explain kind of what it does and how it works. And then support can turn on a trial in your account if you want to explore it further. All right, well, that covers a lot of it. You could read the whole email to see the rest. Don't forget, we will see you at CEDIA in Denver next month. And until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.